With your MailChimp sign-up forms and response emails now defined, you'll want to add the form to your website and test it. We're going to show you how to do that now. Let's log into our MailChimp dashboard. To work with the sign-up forms for any particular list, you start by selecting the list. We'll choose the Lists tab and select the drop-down for this list and choose the sign-up forms. We're going to use the Embedded Form button to get the HTML code we need to put on our website. This page lets you choose the design of your form, and you can see what it will look like here in the preview pane. The classic form includes all of the visible fields in our form. We can change the title of it here. We can select to display only the required fields or all fields. We can show the required field indicators or not. These are the little stars that indicate a field must be filled in. We're going to turn those off for this form. You can set your form width. This is useful if you know that your form will display in a website side panel, for example, and that panel is 200 pixels wide. We know that ours is 500. The rest of these form enhancements at the bottom are for true technical folks. I've never used them. Let's go back up to the top and see some of the other design options for our form code. The slim form is pared down to just the email address. There may be times when you want to use only the email and nothing else. That's when you'll use this option. The naked form is stripped of all CSS and JavaScript, so this is for those times when your website designer just wants the code and none of the fancy stuff. The advanced form is for those who have a whole lot more technical knowledge than I do. I've never used these. We're going to use the classic form. You'll notice the copy and paste code is listed in the box under the preview. This is the markup that you'll put on your website on the page where you want your users to sign up. Be sure you select all of this code and copy it. You can paste it into an email and send it to your website designer, or paste it directly into a website page. We've done that here. With your form added to the website, you'll want to test it and see how it looks and how it works for your users. You can fill in the form with another email address, then go to that email account and complete the sign-up process. Don't worry about adding an extra email to your list. You can always delete it later.